Okay. Okay, now look. So here, I'm gonna do the break down this code so I understand. So DFSNA, what does it do? It
Valid.
gives, yeah.
I think there are some people who left because
Oh,
of
they should have
the.
told me. Anyway, I would follow up with that. When did they leave? Just when this closed, they didn't come back? Or they left before?
Valid.
Sorry?
I, I think it was a network issue or something because I also left and then I rejoined. So maybe we can give them some time.
Okay, but I'm recording, so everything will be beneficial. I will send it,
Okay.
yeah? When you do DFSNA, it tells you which rows have missing values, as you can see, yeah? Yeah, when you do DSNA. And then when you add the mean, let me see, what is the mean here? If I do mean, so it will give you the values there. But why do we need mean? Okay, let me ask AI. So now that's done. And then why mean works? Oh yeah, it's just taking the mean. So mean, it means 1 or 0. Because if you have number 1 and 0, number 1 and 0, if you take the mean, what do you get? Let's imagine you have 3 ones and 2 zeros. If you add it, it's going to be 3 divided by 5, yes. So it tells you, it takes the sum of true values divided by total a percentage. This is actually the percentages. Now I got it. The reason they're using the mean is just to get the percentage of it as empty. Look now, you can see late aircraft, the percentage of empty values is higher. And then after that, he's just putting in ascending order. So this is a percentage, yes. Okay, yes, percentage of missing data. Or it could be fraction or percentage. This fraction, fraction. Fraction of. Okay, of course, we will not be able to train the model today, but we're just doing some data exploration. Just 1 or 2 exploration, and then after that, we will just listen to you. Okay, let me just do another exploration here. That's done. Okay, describe. Yeah, that's good. This is a good description, actually. So I'm going to change my describe column into something else now, something more specific. Okay, here. I'm only describing these 2 columns, number of flights and air delays. As you can see here, number of flights and number of delays. The mean now, the mean number of flights, 3,081, 72 is the delays. So you're just comparing, okay, the more flights, I think probably more delays. Let me say maximum number of flights, maximum number of delays. You just look at these columns in relation. And then, what are you doing now? Delay rate, this is more meaningful than row count, delay rate. What does this do? You're taking the delay, dividing the flights. Yeah, so percentages. So that's delay rate, look. Now I'm gonna add another cell here. And then put the delay rate. As you can see now, look. The rate of delay, so the mean rate of delay. So it's 20% on average. No, it's not 20% actually. It's you divide, it's 20% of the flights are delayed. 20% of the flights are delayed. Standard deviation is there as well. Okay, so you've got delay rate. And then you get something else. I think now approaching the time for me to open the floor. Time-based exploration. Now we're doing time-based. Now which year? Okay, let's do this. Time-based exploration. Let's do this. Time-based. Because before you actually train a model, you will have to explore it properly. Look now, look here. Different years, different delays. So which one had the highest delay? 2005. Look, okay, do you understand this code? You're grouping by year and air delays. And then you're taking the sum. And then you're plotting the delay arrival by year. Okay, if you want, I can break this down, but we can break it another time. Okay, so look here, you are grouping it. Each year you are adding all the delays here for each year. So you're getting the sum. Okay, let me show you this. Quickly, I'll show you. So you do this. If you do that, it doesn't show you anything. It just groups. Then if you do sum, it will give you the sum. Each year, how many delays we had. Okay, so each year. Then you're plotting it here. That's what it is. Yeah, it's clear. And one more thing, we can do seasonality. Yeah, you can look at seasonality as well. That means by month, look. Now let's look at seasonality. I will share this thing, this notebook, so that you can use it. And then you can build on it, yeah, and also you have to share with me. Okay, as you can see now, look, we're doing by month, and we're doing each month, what is the delay rate? Okay, here, look. Month 1, 2, 3, until 12. So it means December, January. So which month is more delayed? December and June, I think. Okay. So this is delayed by month. Okay. Now let me save it. Oh, it's saved. Okay. You can do more to this, but now I want to open the flow for us to talk. Let me save it now. Look, I go back. You still see my, do you see the blue thing? No, the black thing, the command line. Let me see whether I'm sharing it. Let me go again. So we'll have 15 minutes discussion now. Okay, so now look, I'm gonna save everything. You can see my black screen. I think you can.
Yes,
open.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now look now. Have you ever done Duncan? Have you ever done GitHub? Right? You know how to do this git commit.
Yes, using Bash.
Yeah, and also what's his name? Benson. You know it, yeah? Okay, so git status.
Yes.
Now, look, I'm gonna check what has changed. Look, the git status, it means to check what has changed. Look, notebook has changed, nothing else. So I need to do a git add. Git add, that means I want to track it. Now it's not tracked, untracked files. So if I do add, look, now it's gonna be tracked. Now let's do git status again. If you do that, look, it shows you in green. Changes to be committed. So we need to commit these changes. So what I do, git commit, and then here you put a message, message. Then you have to put it in quotes. So what did I say now? I'm going to say that first attempt at exploring data. Okay, so I close it. Now I save it. That's saved. Now, if I save is not yet online, look, if you go to my GitHub here, is the notebook there, or you don't see any? You don't see any notebook here. 1 hour ago, I saved, but there's no notebook here. So now I'm going to upload the notebook for you. What do I do? Benson, now what do I do? Martin, have you done this? Maybe not. You can write in the message if you want. Okay.
I haven't done it.
You haven't done it. Abdul Karim even hasn't. Okay. So let's go git push now. Look, if I do push, everything will be there. Git push. Okay, done. Everything is pushed. Now let's go there and double check this. Can you see the notebook has been uploaded now? It says now. Yes, now I can share this link with you. You can now practice everything we did today. Okay, here. Okay, and now I'll show you how to download it. Okay, so now you can click on that link. You will see if you want to download on your computer and practice in it. You don't need to go and download each file separately. You know, some people, they don't know. They say, okay, let me download now. They click this one, and then they will come here and click download. No, you don't need to do that. It's very simple. Look, you go here, code, and local. Can you see this link? You copy that link first, and then you will go to your command line, wherever you want to save it. Let me try. I'm going to save it somewhere else. Yeah. Let me get out of here, and let me get out of here. I will show you how to download it. Okay, let me go to desktop. CD desktop. Okay, now I'm gonna download it. Look, you do this git. Okay, who knows? Git what? Just say the word. If I want to download Git repository, what do I do? Git what? Duncan, you should know this. The Benson. Okay, I think maybe they didn't do it. Okay, git clone. You do git clone and that. Actually, I will paste this into the chat as well. If you do this on your command line, you will get everything. So let me paste it before I actually do it. Okay, yeah. You see it? Oh yeah, git clone, yes. Okay, now let's do it. Let's do it in practice. Git clone, yeah. Okay, look, it's cloning it. Now let me show you on my desktop. I'll find everything there. Look. If I go desktop, can you see airline delay course? The file is here. Here, delays. Look, open it. Everything is there. Okay, now I'll delete it because I don't need it here. Okay. So, okay, please, I open the floor now for you to talk and ask me any question. I've got like 15 minutes. So I'm stop sharing. Okay. See you at the beginning. Did you just attend at the end? Okay. So please feel free to speak. It's time for me to get the feedback, and everybody who has been behind, who lost the background of this. Okay, no, let me stop the recording. Let me stop the recording.